Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invert colors in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to invert colors in your photos, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now, choose any photo that you want to invert the colors. Now here, to invert the colors, simply click on Edit and select the light option right here. From here, select the curves. Now, what you have to do is select the first node and take it to all the way up, just like that, and similarly do the opposite to the other end. Take it all the way down, just like this. And once you're done, simply click on Done, and just like that, we can invert colors in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.